In the world we know, Milo is just a kitten. But today, he's about to become a giant.
Deep within the emerald jungle, a secret war is brewing.
What was that?
The Hive City, the heart of the garden's defense.
Halt, Titan! State your business in the Hive City, or face the sting of justice. Whoa! Hurricane force winds! Fall back!
This is the golden seed. Without it, the garden withers, and they are coming for it.
The sun sets on your kingdom, Buzz. The seed belongs to the night! The Titan fights with us for the garden! You cannot catch what you cannot see! They have it! They're taking it to the Iron Spire! Follow them, Titan! To the spire!
Every obstacle is a mountain. Every puddle, an ocean.
You are too late! The ritual begins! Steady, Titan! Don't look down! Ladybugs, engage! Ladybugs, clear a path for the Titan!
Red leader, I've got 3 on my 6!
Your metal wing is failing, General. The bell! Keep ringing, Milo! No!
Not the silk!
No! Not the silk!
The fate of the garden falls with them. The fate of the garden falls with them.
The fate of the garden falls with them.
He's got it! Protect the Titan!
Life returns to the roots. Life returns to the roots.
Look, the garden! It's alive! Look, the garden! It's alive!
Even the shadows find peace in the light.
Milo, of the House of Porch. You are now an honorary guardian of the garden.
Wear it with honor, Titan.
The world is big, but its smallest heroes are the bravest. Rest well, Guardian. The garden is safe. Until tomorrow.